So guys, somebody draw one wood on the wall. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl G. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Subscribe. As y'all can see guys, we're in Burlington. Picking up ones and twos. And then we're gonna go into the supermarket. By the way guys, brand new video, happy new year guys. Um outside is cold. Outside is 9, feeling like 1 guys. Outside is really cold guys. Really cold. Yeah. Time come guys. So yeah, I'll see y'all when we're done with Burlington. We're gonna head to the supermarket. So see y'all in the supermarket. Don't forget to subscribe. If they like the job, but they do my do, then no go catch up. Oh, yeah, come bear no. I so blame me, I'm on. You go do you one time, I go for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man, no, they walk up. Man, no, be God up. Make them they talk up. I should they fly like a helicopter. Nobody grace of God and inshallah with them moving. Question, but then no get the answer. 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 Answer, bassa, look at you. Yeah, go say Casala when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I not see what you do. See when we go get a while like Sulesu. Got to money console. Anything you wish me.
There's a bud moving, sha la la la. There's a bud moving, sha la la la. There's a bud moving, sha la la la. There's a bud moving, sha la 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 la. Once on the morning, my grandma keep my buy honey and tomato and garlic. 2 pound of rice, 2 pound of saltfish. I'm at coming in my house and bullshit.
And guys, this is what we have to deal with. Guys, live. Just so look, you guys look. A lot of snow, you guys. A lot of snow. It's a snowy day, guys. Snowy day. Snowy day, guys. Snowy day. It's very snowy, guys. I don't know that much snow, guys. Oh my god, look at this car. Stupid ass car. Look at this stupid ass coming down right now. Look at it. Stupid ass. Wait, we're going to wait till that's dumbass. Wait, we're going to wait till winter time. Go back here, no shit. Look at that. Look. Look what you're doing, guys. I'm good. Now you're doing nice. A lot of snow here. A lot of snow. That's a lot, you guys. So, like a night, guys. Put my phone in the check. My room, I'm not it. Showing a lot of snow, you guys. A lot of snow. Look. Oh, that shit is cold. It's a man. Alright, cool. What happened? Ooh. Hey. Oh, I think I had garage. That is smart. Sticky, bubble gum. Bubble gum. Bubble gum. Sticky bubble gum. Karen, I look too bad still. Cause I don't wanna try move our car with the I try use our car to move the snow. I waste out our gas. Then I look after my breakfast. Then I go back out and go show you. If I forgot the last time. So I make some pancake, turkey bacon, and I'm gonna scramble the egg. Plus I'm gonna make some, I make 2 little ones for Papa to eat. And then I know my man comes and I'm gonna make some feet as well. And when I'm done, I'm gonna go outside. They didn't watch it, they didn't move. This is nasty, you guys. But I don't know if y'all something not turn. If some of y'all may not know, but we had a storm, guys, back to back, you guys. And yes, guys, I'm walking in the middle of the street because there's barely any sidewalk. But oh, bumper clad, I'm gonna put on my face. To pussy clad. Well, I'm gonna drive and make me come over here, so come. Oh, man, not even see me. Jesus Christ, dog. Gonna make me try to do this, dog. My dear. Guys, oh, I think like this. What's up now? Nah, turn around. Think not turn around, dog. Ooh. But yeah, guys, this is what New Jersey is looking like. A mess, guys. Mucky. A mucky mess. See, we can walk over there. Hold on, let me turn this. So you can see how I struggle, guys. I'm struggling, guys. My man say about gotcha. Can't stand this dumbass thing sometime. But my man say me never go out there go drive and stuck and me no fi call him. That he said to me, guys. So we are do it, guys. So we have to do it, guys. I have one bag over my shoulder. But this not that heavy. I'm gonna be able to close in there, guys. Ooh, my lip. Lucky thing somebody I had my lip, guys. Lucky thing. Did I have my lip? Ooh, my lip feel like it a freeze. And then clean up the sidewalk, yes, man. Clean up the sidewalk, guys. Ooh, wait. Want rest. Woo. Oh Lord. Now for rest, guys. My lip a bun off. But thanks be to God, they wash the right so back of my yard, guys. So I just 2 more steps on my reach. But the place is very disgusting, as y'all can see. I'm sure no. Hell, for come off of the sidewalk, they better have one walk way up there, guys. I just mean a trouble. Or else I'm in big trouble. Come, go out there, so guys. I'm across the road. I'm back on my shoulder, Papa. My shoulder. Woo! See what snow, guys? Get snow. Snow. Look. A long time I didn't see so much snow. Like much years. I think I'm over here for like I don't know, a couple of years well. Over here for a couple of years well, guys. And at first I see so much snow back to back. I never see so much snow back to back. You know, it will fall and then you say some more come and it never come. But this time, when them say it come, it came. It come people double time. Excuse me. Come double time, guys. But I'm actually at the wash. Somebody draw wood on the wall. Look there. Somebody draw wood. A wood on the wall. This can be the thumbnail. So guys, I'm actually at the laundry. My reach. My reach, you guys, my reach. Rastafari. What class? What the car coming like it? Sink. Some of them people they not have no we name the fit take out. Them not have no shovel. But they not come over so guys, cause they not drive. Because I know say Mr. Chin probably not have nobody to clean up his snow. That's why that place still looks so blood leaders. One look at track. Could they pee snow, guys? Pee snow on the ground, one look at track. The things them, girl. Anyways, guys, I got to them when I wash. And I made that dog. Thank you. Oh, merciful. Guys, merciful. Yay. Look at that. What do you call it? One stroller. See you guys when I'm done.
Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. Yeah, we give thanks like we ain't supposed to be thankful. Blessings are from the night man. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall from the night. What's the cost of the friends that they talk to? post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your son. You're falling out the man.
Guys, my clothes are almost done wash and I feel peckish. Feel peckish, my dear. So I run go over the puppy them. We'll get something. Guys, I'm not big. I'm not that big. This can't fit, guys. Can't fit. We'll run go over the puppy them real quick. Like 9 minutes. I'll show you over the puppy them and come. Oh, I can't leave my water, girl. Crazy. Crazy for left my water. That's crazy. That's crazy. Anyways, guys, let's go. To the puppy then we go. To the puppy then we go, guys. To the puppy then. Over the puppy then we go, guys. Over the puppy. Mr. China do it himself, you know? Alright. Mr. China do it himself, guys. China do it himself. The man who own the laundromat, guys. He always do the things himself, you know, guys. This is a record. What's a record? Everything him do himself. Everything him do himself, guys. Everything. The man don't like spend money. That's why I know say there's two type of people in the world. People who love money and people who like to have money. You see that the Chinese man there? Love money. Love money so much, you guys. Guys, I'm trying to cross in the muck. Showing the car coming on for me on the roadway, guys. It's very disgusting and mucky, guys. This is what you call disgusting. So the definition of disgusting, you guys. Some of them can't take time. Or is that woman? Oh, I know that woman, yeah. I know that woman there. She wait name there. I see her this morning and she stop around my yard and give the man them where I clean out. She give them salt. So I think I don't know if she had the wife or just one of the workers. But she just going to choose she not the Ivan and the snow now, but her. Could I carry her? I'm not laughing about could I carry her. The car in the snow and the people they not come to China. But them put sheet over it. Ooh. If I get windy. Alright, guys. Going at the puppy them, you guys. No. Oh. That's on the snack. There it is. I don't want Lay's. I'm gonna do Lay's and a Ritz Bits. I can't come on and get one sweetie, guys. I forget one sweetie. And the things them, girl. Motor on water, guys. Papi has a baby feed, Pampers, everything. Papi have everything. Al mint ball. Look to them. Pick up 3. Oh, the blue one. 4. I want something else. I feel more peckish for something else, guys. I want to think. I feel more peckish. I don't know if they have chocolate in this. I'm a fair, is it? I got that one, guys. I know so them have chocolate in it, guys. How's my money there? Where the money there? Where the money there? Okay, my friend. Thank you.
Thank you.
Papi, I'm a friend, guys. One thing with some of the Spanish people, them very humble. They're very humble. Some of them. But yeah, guys, I'm almost done, as I say, and go to my house to my baby because it's not for me. Outside is not for me, guys. It's not for me. It's not for me. I'm not go back this because so I don't not even look clean. I don't know where my blood clot go. Not for me. Not for me. The people them with them Jeep show off, you see, guys? Them show off, you fuck, guys. Them show off, guys. Through the way them, they not bother them. Them show off. Show off. Just like a black up. On the sky. Anyways, as I was saying, guys, I go done do what I do. I'm going to my baby, guys. Yeah, it's cold. So guys, I'm actually done with wash, and now I go head home. Trash. Can't go hold the camera because I just go throw the bag for my head and just shut it home, guys. I just go put the bag on my head like so, guys. Turn it sideways like so, and I with that girl just like that, guys. Ooh. Come on, steady. So how with this, guys? Me see you know when we reach home, guys. What's up, guys? It's your girl Jean. It's your girl Jean, guys. Back with a brand new video, guys. Back with the unboxing video, guys. I got some pieces from Victoria's Secret, guys, and I'm gonna unbox them with you guys. So let's get right into it, you guys. By the way, I got all these on sale because I ain't buying nothing full price. Time too hard. First thing we got, guys, is this bucket bag. Guys, I was looking for a bucket bag, but I want an expensive one. I want no expensive bucket bag. And here comes this one from Victoria's Secret, guys. It's gonna be like an everyday bag. It's a crossbody bag, by the way, guys. Crossbody. It can hold my baby buckle in thermos whilst yeah. Cause I'm tired of the big bag. Tell them bag I put in my school and daycare. But we can't show him things in this, guys. One little blanket. Yeah. Queer original price. $84. Look. Come on, I wanna see it, you guys. But that's the original price. I can't even see it. See? That's the price. I paid $20. It was on sale for $20. Plus, we did have coupon people. Add much coupon. So we pay less than $20 feet. Period. And it's big. I have the straps, guys. Straps long. And thin. Okay. Everybody know Victoria's Secret underwear. The amount we get. Christ, come on. If I just dash out all of the weight name me want them. Dash out everything. And then them send 2 separate. Them send 2 separate. I also got a bra. I got a bra. But they never have the bra, so them cancel the bra. Anyway, them send me these $20 off 50. Them send me one DoorDash something 40% off. I don't know where them send me this for. And then they send me something for dog. The farmer's dog. I don't have no dog. What am I send me this for? What are they? I'm not even use DoorDash. But this are 40% off. Up to $10 on your first order of $15 or more. DoorDash. I hope. I know this them send me for the Brazil, you know. I don't know what I do with them. Anyways, guys, that's it for the unboxing, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. Stay tuned for my next vlog, guys. Subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can be updated when your girl posts a new video, guys. See you guys in the next. Oh, me did I move so fast. I got to show you this. I get one shirt. I want 90, guys. Oh my god, this big man. That's curious, but you're comfortable then. He big, you fat. Extra large. Extra. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna choose a big size, my dear. My dear. Them wrong. Kuya. Kuya. Christ. Anyways, it looks like it's a comfortable, guys. It's like a 90. Anyways, that's it. Bye bye.